Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. So you guys, for today's video I did receive these two PR packages from Makarrtt, and they are both polygel kits. So I cannot for the life of me tell you guys what it's called, if it's EBOROUGE or BOYNTON. You guys say it right there, I don't know how to say it. EBOROUGE, one of them, and the other one is called Starry Night Whispers, and this one has 6 colors. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with this one right off bat. So today is basically a swatch video, you guys. I did not have a chance to do my actual nails, so I literally just kept whatever was on my nails because they were doing the roofing in the house and it was just so noisy this whole week, and it's literally not even done, but we have to do what we gotta do. So I just decided to go ahead and show you guys what everything is inside. So it has basically the Makarrtt little, I was gonna say pen, but it's the little spatula with the little brush for the gel. And you guys saw the first 2 bottles that I took out were the top coat and base coat, and it did come with a file. Now I'm taking out all the colors, and then the thing underneath is just the dual forms. So like I was trying to tell you guys, I didn't have the time to actually do like a set of nails with this product right here, or with this kit. So I'm just gonna go ahead and swatch all the colors for you the best I can. So if anybody does want to order this, which I highly suggest because the colors are very pretty, guys, it's very pretty. So if you guys do want to purchase this, it is going to be on the Makarrtt website, and I do have a coupon code for you guys, so I'll leave that in the description box, and if I have some time to put it up on here I can do that as well, but for sure it'll be in the description box. So I'm gonna go ahead and start swatching these colors, you guys. So they have those little tab things that you have to remove first. So I'm just gonna show you this first color, and then I'm gonna just play some music so you guys can enjoy all the color swatches. And I'm gonna tell you guys right now, you're gonna love it. They're very pretty. I love these colors so much. Before I get off and let you guys listen to some music, I don't remember if I was gonna mention anything else to you guys, but if I remember I'll get back on here and tell you guys. But yeah guys, it's just been a rough week, so much noise in the house, and I really wanted to make something out of these, but this is the second best thing, so you guys can see how nice the colors are. So I'm just gonna swatch them here so you guys can see them.
It's getting closer to midnight. I try to get closer to you, drinking courage from my red cup now. I will soon make a move. Ooh, I can taste it, the bittersweetness of taking a shot, a risk worth taking. If it's a shot at love, baby, I adore you. Maybe I adore you. Yeah, I'm feeling high and high. I'm up on cloud 9. Baby, I adore you. My glass was half empty, but you came along and showed me how to love without limits, to have a good time. My glass was always half empty, but now you're in my life. We're far away from the city lights, so small under the night sky. It's just us two, but I don't mind. You could never wear me out. Even after all of these years, you still look at me with the same love. It's just us two, but I don't mind. You could never wear me out. You could never wear me out. We have come all this way,